The authorities are being urged to forget about growing hemp in Jamaica if they plan to develop a sustainable medicinal ganja industry. Stakeholders have put forth several arguments, including an explanation for why one industry could actually kill the other. TVJ's Dwayne Anderson has more in this primetime news report.
High grade, a term synonymous with Jamaican ganja locally and internationally, used to highlight the potency of the weed. But according to the University of the West Indies UEMONA-based researcher Dr. Machel Emmanuel, the strength of the Jamaican ganja could be threatened if it is grown too close to hemp.
We have seen how other Caribbean landrace cultivars have really decimated from the 1970s to the 1980s with the introduction of the new cultivars, indicas, and it wouldn't be any different in terms of hemp. Especially cannabis is a wind pollinated plant, so in terms of the pollen can traverse very far distances, and this will compromise the aesthetic qualities and maintenance of particular cultivars.
In addition to the contamination risk, hemp also requires thousands of hectares of land as well as expensive machines to make growing it for commercial use worthwhile. But experts say if the funds are available and the land can be found to grow hemp far away from ganja, then a hemp industry can be developed in Jamaica. The plant and its seeds could then be used to make things like hemp plastics, which are environmentally friendly substitutes for scandal bags. But president of the Young Ganja Entrepreneurs Association, Maurice Ellis, doesn't think hemp is worth the risk. He put forward this suggestion.
Let's look at the linkages that we have with our CARICOM neighbors and see if it is that maybe we could contract some of our Caribbean neighbors to produce hemp, right? And we put something in place, a repurchase agreement, for example, right, in place where we buy back the hemp material and then we produce it or process it into whatever we want it to be.
We spoke with Director at the Cannabis Licensing Authority, CLA Delano C. Wright, about the concerns.
Right now, it's not permitted based on how the system is structured. There are legitimate concerns. Also, it's important that Jamaica is a small country. In bigger countries, hemp is a lot more productive. It's easier, makes more economic sense. There's economies of scale. Here in Jamaica, it's a challenge because there's a fear about how it can contaminate other ganja plants. So for now, hemp is not going to go anywhere in a major way until we are clear, we're in the clear from experts as to how best to proceed as relates to hemp farming in Jamaica.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.